Hey everyone, here's my review for this headphone amplifier that the company sent my way. If you're looking for a truly portable way to elevate and enhance your listening experience, this could be a great option for you. It includes internal battery here that lasts up to 12 continuous hours. Now in the front, you have your output and your input that accepts 3.5 millimeters. So if your laptop has that connection, your phone, MP3 player, any sort of audio device that has a 3.5 millimeter, this is going to work with. And bonus is they include the wire. And they also include the wire that charges the device. You simply plug it in the back here, then attach it to a power source. Now you also have a gain switch in the front here as well that helps boost the signal even further for you. It is small, compact, and lightweight. It only weighs 102 grams, and it has a nice, sleek aluminum finish that not only feels good and looks good, it also helps reduce any kind of sound interference. Now, this unit is designed with high signal to noise ratio with low distortion. So if you're looking for a truly portable, sleek, lightweight headphone amplifier, this could be a great option for you. That's my review, and hopefully this helps.